Alright, to the coolant phase of the Ford F-150. This thing came with gold and it's getting gold back in it. Don't put green in it, don't put Walmart crap in it. Go to the dealership, this stuff's about 17 bucks a gallon concentrated. Now, Ford does make a diluted gold, as they call it, a 50-50, but you can do the same thing with distilled water from Walmart. That part you can get from Walmart. Now, I'm going to show you how to make 4 gallons of coolant for the F-150 with just 2 gallons of concentrate. Get yourself an empty container. Now this one I've already labeled. This is for Ford Gold Coolant only. 5 years, 150,000 miles. Whichever comes first.
Sorry, sir, that says concentrate extended life.
Yeah, but that's green. Because I have cleaned this out, so this is completely empty. Very important for this part because we're going to mix this correctly at 50-50. Alright, first things you're going to do, you're going to open 1 gallon of distilled. You're going to pour half of this in here.
I think that's good.
I don't think that's half.
I don't know, it sounds like it's going fast.
Nope. That's about 5/8. Okay, half. Open up 1 gallon of your concentrated coolant you got from the dealership.
That you totally didn't get from a dealership.
We got it from a dealership.
No, some people, no.
This is Ford proprietary coolant. You have to get this from a dealership.
They just have it laying around?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah, they'll happily sell it to you for a good premium. 17 bucks a gallon.
Holy
When I can get a gallon of Walmart crap for $10, I can make 2 gallons for $11.88.
This must be really good.
I don't know if it is or not, but it's what's required for this vehicle. Alright, so we're going to pour half in here.
Hey, you even have a line to help you out.
Yeah. Okay, not half yet. Always pour it sideways so it doesn't make a mess. Let's see, just a little bit more. Okay, I'll pour the rest in here.
Oh yes, changes color. Changes it into dirty water.
Yeah, it's gold. It's premium coolant.
Yeah, it's turning gold, all right.
Okay, that's full. I'll fill the rest in here.
So what are you doing with the extra one? What?
Well, what we're going to do is we're going to pour this one first in the engine, so we get rid of this bottle, and what we have left we can give to the client already pre-mixed. I will make a note on the bottle. Another important step, once you do mix coolant, you want to put dates on your stuff. That way you know it's mixed and there's no guessing. Alright. Ford Gold. Today's date.
10/14/20.
20. Important. Pre-mixed. Don't add water.
Don't do anything else. It has everything.
Pre-mixed.
Don't you need to like shake it up a little bit, or?
Nope.
No. What do you have trouble with?
Alright. And that right there, just rinse and repeat. You'll have 4 gallons of coolant for about $34.
Yeah.
Of gold premium Ford factory coolant.
Yeah.
Remember that.
Uh-huh.
Always mix, always write your dates. And mixed, and what type it is. Ford Gold.
Wow, what the? I can't even see it.
Yeah, I know. It's pre-mixed. That's all that matters. All
You
right,
should
we're
put
gonna...
PM.
Yeah, but what if the guy that picks it up doesn't know what PM is? Because he might think it's PMS.
That's so fucking bad. That's such a bad
All right,
joke.
enough of the bad jokes. Let's get back to work. We gotta get
Okay, yeah.
some gold coolant in our Ford F-150. Alright, one thing with these reserve tanks by Ford, or even GM for that matter, there's a cold fill line. You do not fill this space up. This is where the expansion and contraction happens. Alright, first gallon, here we go. Man, Thirsty Pig already took 1 gallon. Oh boy.
Creamy.
Alright, gallon number 2. Now there's a big air bubble in this engine. Don't think you're done there. I have watched too many videos and it just makes me want to blow my brains out. People fill it up. Oh, it's done. It's good. You liars. It's not. Why? We have a big air bubble. And you have to get the air trapped out of the heater core. You have to get water up to the thermostat. Don't just fill this up and think you're done.
You're done.
Otherwise your engine will be done.
Yeah. Hey, you know what?
So at this point, you want to start squeezing hoses, start getting that air bubble moved around.
Because engine go bye-bye if air bubble doesn't go away.
Well, with this system, since it doesn't fill from the top down, it fills from the bottom up. It gives you a false sense of being full when it's not. Now I just have this up to the cold line, and now I've already sucked down about half this bottle just by squeezing the upper hose. Don't tell me that you're done when you just fill this up. It doesn't work that way. I don't care what make, model, engine, cooling system you have. It does not matter. Now we're lucky the factory thermostat does have a nipple in it to let some of the air escape. Now that happens after obviously the engine's running. But we've got to get enough in here to make sure that it can start not overheat. That coolant gauge is not going to work when you first started after a big job.
Yeah.
Gallon number 3.
You need 2?
No, this is the 3rd gallon.
Wow.
Okay, now we're going to squeeze some more hoses.
Yeah.
That is almost 3 gallons this pig has taken. We haven't even started this thing yet.
Are we gonna start it?
Does that sound like a cold dragon?
Sounds like a pig.
Oh, that's that big air bubble I talk about. By squeezing the hose, you're forcing the air bubbles to come out before you even start this engine. While we're doing this, we're also checking for leaks before we even start it. So far, everything looks good. There's my water level. There's a problem with gold coolant. I can't tell where I'm at. Okay, we're at cold fill. One thing nice about green or pink, you can know your levels. Gold, with a gold colored bottle, does make it a little harder.
That's why it's called gold.
are just a little bit below the cold line. Well, there's 3 gallons. Woo! This pig can drink some coolant. Alright, on the next exciting episode of the F-150, we're going to turn the key, we're going to bleed the system, you're going to hear this thing run, we're going to check for leaks, we're going to do all that good stuff, and watch this thing suck down some more coolant. This thing has a giant air bubble in it. I'm going to prove that to you, because there's 6 videos I watched where the guys just put water in it and said, oh, it's done. And I'm going to prove to you that, no, you're not done. And if you do it that way, you can blow your engine. So, we're going to show you the correct methods we use to get this thing bled, get it running right, get it sent out the door. Alright folks, if you enjoyed this F-150 series so far, be sure to stay tuned for the series finale. Be sure to subscribe. We'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.